Another day, another quality machine at Mullin Machinery in New Jersey. Today we have a Vectrax 1440 electronic variable speed. All original paint. All the paint's in the backsplash. There's a roller bearing steady rest. Keyless chuck and a tailstock. Aloris CXA tool post and a bunch of holders. It looks like about a 9 or 10 inch bison 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. Live center, drill chuck, thread dial, taper spindle adapter, follow rest, Newall 2-axis digital readout. Paint's good on the machine. It's wired for low voltage 3-phase. Inch metric. Run at first and low speed. This is your speed changer. Speed range, carriage speed, cross speed, brake, this is your reverse, now your in feed. Now we'll do it in the high speed range. I don't want to run it too high with the chuck on, but go to feed the other way. Go to a lower feed. There we go. There you have it, folks. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your fabricating and tool room needs.